If you are unable to access your Robinhood account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Robinhood website. Go to the official Robinhood website or open the app on your mobile device. Look for the login option and click on it to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter the email address associated with your account for further instructions. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Robinhood. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you are unable to reset your password or do not receive the email, contact Robinhood customer support. You can do this through the Apple website by navigating to the help section and selecting the option to chat or submit a request. Step 5. Provide identification. When contacting customer support, be prepared to provide identification to verify your identity. This might include answering security questions or providing a government-issued ID to help regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Robinhood account. If you encounter any issues, continue to reach out to customer support for assistance.